serving Jesus and his people around the globe, we always felt that Mercy...
Our members of parliament who are here, Mheshimiwa Deputy Governor is here with us, ministers in... Everyone well, right door or exit through this left door, and on my right side you're going to find your way out and come in, and then we continue with the service. And in terms of money, monetary, HR, those who have done HR, this time I would want to welcome, we call him Dad, we call him welcome
nikuja kufurahia maisha ambayo yaliweza kuhifadhiwa na kufanywa vizuri. Kwa niaba ya familia yote, siku hii ya leo ningependa kutoa shukrani za dhati na kuambieni ya kwamba asanteni kwa wale ambao wamekuwa pamoja na sisi kwa muda. Theology hii nikaona baba ameandika pale, and that has really moved my heart. I was a bit madongi runga beni please family ya Maria de onde ale rungi ele yonde era mochore kwenda kutindira na kimero kwenda kutindira. Amen, amen.
I gave birth to Mercy and I could not measure her. She was taking the world earth. Her organization and cleanness was unmatched. Having walked the journey of her illness with her, I can only say, Mercy loved life.
Mercy was that leader to all our other children. She gave Frida and